No matter how hard you try, does it feel like your faith is going nowhere? It's frustrating, isn't it? Starting now, we're revealing the 3 secrets that will make your faith grow explosively in just 1 month. 100% free. Simply install BitBible on your lock screen. First, stop reading the Bible like a machine. You need to truly think as you read. But that's the hardest part, right? So, the Bible AI will serve you a handpicked list of questions you're likely to have on every passage. Ultimately, it's good questions that deepen your reflection. So as you follow along with these questions and answers, your understanding of the Bible will reach a whole new level. Second, that habitual glance at your phone's lock screen. What if a Bible verse appeared in each of those moments? All those times I failed when forcing myself to read. Now I end up seeing a Bible verse over 100 times a day automatically. What's more, it even sends you prayers and reflection questions automatically, right at the time you choose. Even while you're mindlessly checking messages or the time, you'll find yourself unconsciously communicating with the Lord. Third, for those faith questions you've always hesitated to ask others. Those spiritual questions I never looked up and eventually forgot. Our AI counselor, which is thoroughly based on the Bible, will provide a detailed consultation instantly. This allows you to instantly apply the solutions to your life, causing a remarkable growth in your understanding and assurance of faith. You get all of this from BitBible for free. Experience true, explosive growth in your faith with BitBible. After years of being stagnant, your faith can now be totally transformed in under a month.